Have you ever wondered why some people lose weight without counting every calorie? Why do many successful athletes, entrepreneurs, and fitness enthusiasts swear by intermittent fasting? What if I told you that the secret is not necessarily eating less food, but eating at the right time? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular health trends in the world, intermittent fasting, also known as IF. In this video, you'll learn what intermittent fasting really is, how it works inside your body, different fasting methods, benefits and risks, common mistakes beginners make, a beginner-friendly meal plan, who should and should not try intermittent fasting. Watch until the end, because I'll also share the easiest way to start intermittent fasting without feeling miserable or hungry. Many people think intermittent fasting is a diet. Actually, it's not. A diet tells you what to eat. Intermittent fasting tells you when to eat. It is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and periods of fasting. For example, you may eat only between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. For the remaining 16 hours, you don't consume calories. That means no snacks, no sugary drinks, no milk tea, no juice, but water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea are generally allowed during fasting periods. Interestingly, humans have practiced fasting for thousands of years for religious, cultural, and survival reasons. Intermittent fasting simply applies this ancient practice in a structured modern way. Let's understand the science. When you eat food, especially carbohydrates, your body breaks them into glucose. Glucose enters the bloodstream. Insulin rises. The body uses this glucose as its primary fuel. As time passes, blood sugar begins to fall. Insulin levels decrease. The body starts searching for another energy source. When glucose stores start running low, the body begins using stored fat for energy. This is one reason fasting may support weight loss. Research suggests fasting may trigger important cellular maintenance processes. Think of it as your body's internal cleaning system. Fast for 12 hours. Eat within 12 hours. Example, eat dinner at 8 p.m., breakfast at 8 a.m. This is the easiest beginner method. Fast for 14 hours. Eat during a 10-hour window. Example, first meal at 10 a.m., last meal at 8 p.m. The most popular option, fast for 16 hours. Eat within 8 hours. Example, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. eating window. Many people simply skip breakfast. Eat normally 5 days per week. On 2 non-consecutive days, reduce intake significantly. A full 24-hour fast once or twice weekly. More advanced. Not recommended for beginners. 1 meal a day. 23-hour fasting. 1 hour eating window. Very strict. Not suitable for most beginners. This is the most common reason people start fasting. A shorter eating window often helps reduce calorie intake. Many studies have found weight loss benefits when fasting is followed consistently. Lower insulin levels may help the body use stored fat more effectively and improve glucose regulation. No need to eat every few hours. Less meal planning. Less snacking. More convenience. Many people report improved concentration and mental clarity during fasting periods. Some evidence links fasting with improvements in blood pressure and certain cardiovascular health markers. Don't jump directly into 20-hour fasts. Start with 12 or 12. Some people fast all day and then consume huge amounts of junk food. This defeats the purpose. Hydration is extremely important. Protein helps preserve muscle and control hunger. The body often needs a few weeks to adapt to fasting routines. Eggs, oats, fruits, nuts, Greek yogurt, apple, almonds, rice or roti, dal, vegetables, chicken, fish, paneer or tofu, water, black coffee, green tea, herbal tea. Avoid sugary beverages because they break the fast. Intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. You should consult a healthcare professional before starting. If you have diabetes, take blood sugar medications, are pregnant, are breastfeeding, have a history of eating disorders, have certain medical conditions requiring regular meals. Health always comes first. Step 1. Begin with a 12-hour fasting schedule. Step 2. Drink more water. Step 3. Focus on whole foods. Step 4. Get enough sleep. Step 5. Move gradually to a 14-10 schedule. Step 6. Eventually try 16.8 if comfortable. Remember, consistency beats intensity. The best fasting schedule is the one you can follow for months, not just a few days. Intermittent fasting is not magic. It's not a shortcut. But when combined with healthy food, exercise, good sleep, and consistency, it can become a powerful tool for improving health and managing weight. If you're a beginner, start small. Give your body time to adapt. Stay patient. And remember, your goal is not just to lose weight. Your goal is to build a healthier lifestyle that lasts for years. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start intermittent fasting.